Hey there, welcome back. I'm glad you're joining me today for another drawing. I'm Mark and I will be drawing Bart Simpson today. So if you love The Simpsons, grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pencil, some markers, and let's get started. All right, so let's draw a circle right about here. And we'll draw an eyeball in the middle. We'll draw a nose out to the right. So starting about here, we'll kind of come out and then we'll start bending. And this is going to come and end right about here. So we'll come down and end right about there. And then for the eye, we can create the eyeball that comes right about here and it's going to end just where the nose is. So we'll do another circle like this. We'll stop right about there. We'll draw another eyeball in the middle and we'll fill that in. Okay, from my eye, I will start right about here. I'll do a little bump and then I'm going to come up and just slightly over to the right. And then on this side, we'll draw an ear. So we'll come right over from where the nose is, right about here. And we'll come down just a little bit. And we'll draw this C shape like that. And then we'll do a line and then another one that kind of comes out of there. And now this line is going to be curved out a little bit. So if you start from the ear and then you come out, we're going to try to line up with the top here. Come out and over like that. And if you continue this curve down, and then we'll kind of curve this back in that direction. Then what we can do is we could just draw these triangular shapes all the way until we meet up with our other line. Just like that. Alrighty, now we'll do the mouth. So we'll come down from the nose, just inside the nose a little bit. So we'll have a soft curve that kind of comes out. And then this is going to round and come all the way to right about here. So we'll come like this all the way to right about there. Then we'll create this little hook where the mouth is there. And then if you come down where the eye is, right about there, that'll be where the mouth starts, the bottom lip. So we'll hook this down and then we'll come back in this direction and we'll hook down. All right, then what I'll do is from this spot here, I will hook this over and connect to my head over there. I need your help to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Click that subscribe button. That way you get to see all of my videos. I do them every single day and you don't want to miss out on any single one of them. Then we'll create a little shape for the collar of his shirt. And then let's make sure we have enough space here for the whole body. So we'll come down. Actually, we'll stick out a little bit and then we'll come down a little bit and then we'll bump for his belly like that. And then this line will come across like that. And I'm just going to stop right about there because we want to put the arm in place first. So for this arm, I'm going to start inside of the shirt area here. So I'm going to start right about here and I'm going to do this upside down U shape. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to come down. In between these, I will draw a curve, but I'm not going to join the ends. Then what I'll do is I'm going to come down at a slight angle in this direction here. So we're going to come down and we're going to almost stop where these would intersect, somewhere about there. Then we'll go all the way to this side and we'll create this same line in parallel and we'll kind of come down like that. Then what I can do is I can extend this over and then loop this and kind of do the same on this side. And I'll loop that like that. Okay, on this side, we'll meet up with this shoulder piece here and we'll come up at an angle and then curve down like that. And then over here, we'll see a little bit of his arm sticking out like that. So his hands are kind of like in his pockets. So what I'll do now is I'll continue this line like that. And then we'll create the backside here. So come down off of that shape just a little bit. And then we can round this like that. And over here, we'll come up like that. Okay. So then the next thing we'll do is I'm going to put his hand inside of a pocket. So I will draw a line that kind of connects those two shapes. And I'm just going to put a little echo line that his hand's inside his pocket. Coming over here, we will draw a round shape like this, and it's going to stop right here. So in front of his arm, okay, we're going to stop right about here, and then we're going to come down a little bit. And then on this side, we'll draw the bottom of his shorts. So we'll come over and up just a little bit, and it's going to be inside of this edge right here. Okay, we're going to be inside of that. And we'll come up from here, and then we'll draw a curve like that. Awesome, guys. So next step, I'm going to draw the other leg, and I'm going to come up from here. I'm going to curve, and we don't want to go too far. We want to stop right about here. So I'll come down, and then we'll kind of join those together. And then I'm going to draw the legs. So I'm going to start with this leg over here, because this one's going to be in front. So I'm going to draw two lines coming down, and we're going to draw this leg first, and then that one's going to be in the background. So then right over here, we'll create a curve, and then we'll round the edges of his socks, and we'll come like this, the top of his shoe area. Then we can hook his sneaker down, and then this will be the front of his sneaker where his toes are. So this is going to be angled a little bit longer. And then we can join these together like that. And then this will come down, and we'll do a thickness here for his sneaker. It'll come down like that. Then what we can do is we can draw the other leg. So we'll come right about here, and we'll follow the same thickness as this leg here. So we'll try to match that same thickness. And then we can connect these together. We'll do the top shape there. Then over here we can hook that. And then we'll just follow the same curve here. We'll do another one over like that. And then we'll stop this. I'm going to draw the bottom first. So I'm going to draw this like this. That kind of comes up, and then this will be the other thickness there. And then he'll have like a little round design on his sneaker over there. So that was pretty easy. I just used an ink pen and we drew Bart Simpson in. If you had a little bit of trouble, it's okay. Go down in the description, click on the link, and you can download the free coloring page and have some fun coloring. So let's grab some markers and color Bart in. Well, there you go, guys. I just finished coloring Bart Simpson. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you click the notification bell, you'll be notified whenever I do new videos, which is every weekday. So until tomorrow, I'll see you later.